What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Certified Mexican here. Today we're gonna be changing out the gas tank in the Miata. There it is. I'm gonna unbox it and try to install it. Hopefully today. Hopefully I can do everything today. I'm changing the tank because apparently it's not common, but I guess in some Miatas the tanks just rust. I don't know. All I know is that I have to change the tank, and for that I have to drop the subframe, and then I can drop the tank, and then I can just put the other tank in there. And yeah, it's not that easy. It's never that easy. I wish it's as easy as it sounds, but it's a lot of work. So I'm gonna get started. First things first, I gotta jack up the car, put it on jack stands. That way I can use the jack to lower the rear subframe and then lower the tank. There's other things that I have to unplug as well, like the brake lines, the speed sensor, I believe, the drive shaft. I have to unbolt from the diff. And then the subframe should be able to come out after that, I believe. Oh, the handbrake too, I have to take out. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna do a time lapse, and then in between the time lapses I'm probably gonna jump in and say where I'm at and what I'm doing and things like that. And hopefully I can point some things out to you guys and to make it easier. I don't know, hopefully. Let's see. Alright, now that we have the car up on jack stands, here's how it looks under here. Some of the things that I have to take apart are the exhaust. I have to take this off because it looks like it gets in the way of the subframe coming down. I have to unbolt the coilovers. Just the top, not the bottom, because I'm just gonna let everything fall. I have to unbolt this. What else? Hold on, I might have to unbolt it from over there though, not from here. And then the brake lines, I have to unbolt those. What else can I find down here that I have to unbolt? The speed sensor, I believe, which is over there, and it goes through here, through there. I have to unbolt that. And then the subframe should come off with four nuts or 4 bolts, I believe. 1, 2, or 6, I think, something like that. So like I said, it's a lot of work. But we can do it. We can do it. Let's go. guys, so I'm just about to drop the whole rear subframe. I had to take that apart. I don't know what that's called. It's like that in-between thing that goes. I have to take it out of there. I took out the bolts from here. I took out the drive shaft, the exhaust, that metal bar that goes all across here and throughout there, the brake lines, well, the handbrake. Took apart the brake line on the other side that feeds both of them. ¿Qué pasa? Sí, tranquilo, ¿y tú? You have to take that cable out of this because it goes attached to it. There's a speed sensor that goes into the transmission. You have to take that out, and you see that jack stand right there because if you don't put something there, the engine just tilts down, and you don't want that. So yeah, now I'm gonna loosen the 6 subframe bolts. Oh, and then the top hat you have to loosen. I think that's a 14. Yeah, so far it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. Just takes finagling here and there, but it's easy for the most part. So I think I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse or video of me just dropping the whole subframe. Here goes. And just like that, subframe's out. See, check it out. It just takes one here, one there, one there. There's a brake line right there. You can see it dangling. Here, let me get closer. Just this brake line you have to take off of here. Then the other one you don't have to disconnect. I disconnected it. I learned the hard way. And then this is the handbrake. That's the handbrake over there too. You have to take the top bolts off the top hat of your coilovers or suspension. You have to take this out. It takes 4 nuts right there. This just slides right out. This is the speed sensor right here that goes into the transmission. You have to take this out as well. And the speed sensor is actually right over there. If you can see it, sorry, I have you guys like folded. You have to take this, it's just 3 nuts, 1, 2, 3, and then unloosen the ones from because this goes attached to the diff. You can unloosen the ones from the diff, and then it should just be loose like that. Yeah. Oh, and the muffler, the exhaust, you have to take that out too. And that's it, really. And make sure you support your transmission with the jack stand or something, because this does move. But yeah, that's it. Attached to. So I gotta release those. I gotta release the ones inside. The ones right here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's a cover that goes on here. You take that cover off, and then you can release these hoses from here. And then the tank should have 4 nuts at the bottom. It should just drop. Yeah, I know, my hair's crazy. This should be, that's the tank right there. Let me see if I can get a good view. So yep, this is the tank. Should take 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4 on the other side, and then it should come down. As long as I have the hoses up top disconnected. Right now I'm draining the fuel tank. Took this nut off. Now it's draining because I had about half a tank in there. Hopefully it doesn't overfill this. But yeah, I'm probably gonna pressure wash this because it's pretty dirty. But that's probably gonna be another day. All I want to do today is get the new tank in and just clean maybe some of this up down here. I don't know. I mean, It's really clean. I like that. There's no rust at all whatsoever. All the rust that's on there is like, it's surface rust. It's not even, nothing to worry about it at all. One step closer. One step closer. But yeah, let's keep going, guys. Come on, follow me on this journey. Let's go. Check out that gas though. I flushed the, well, after I flushed the gas, this is how it came out. I don't think it should be this this color. Should be a little lighter than that. So as you can see here, I have the gas tank brace. Only have one nut to go. I already took these three out. I'll take that one out and then it should come out. So I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Check it out. And she's out. So is the subframe and the gas tank. That wasn't that bad. It still has some gas in it. Probably not that much though. But look, this is how it looks underneath here. So you gotta get rid of those. You gotta unplug 3 hoses. Well, 4, 5. This other one over here. See, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and then the pump, which is this right here. And she's out. Let me start switching over the pump and that vacuum thingy that I don't know what I forgot. I think it's the return system. And yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, check it out. Just ready to go back in. There's the old one, new one. You can tell the difference, right? This is the pump. Probably gonna get a new one. Ooh, still some feel in there. I'm probably gonna need a new, like a whole thing, because all that is rusted. So unlucky me. So it wasn't that bad though. So yeah, let's see if I can give you guys a inside look of the tank with the GoPro. Let me just find the light. Where's the light? Where's the light? I need the light. Here it is. Ooh, look at that. That's disgusting. Look at all those shavings. I don't know. See all that? Those are all shavings. I hope you guys could tell. But yeah, those are all shavings. How this happens, I have but the slightest clue. I'll probably just put a small time lapse of me putting in the gas tank, and then giving you guys like a closer look at how the tank went in, and then go on from there. And she's in. Check it out. Those are the 4 bolts that hold it right there. 4. That's it. The rest is done up top. I got worried for a bit because I was trying to put there's like a hole in here. I don't know if you can see it. So I was trying to put the whole tank inside, and I was like, oh God, don't tell me they sent me the wrong tank. But no, you have to like angle it, because it's like at an angle towards the front. So yeah, I forgot that this was the hole. I was trying to put that in there and it just wasn't working out, and I got scared for a bit, but it's good. She's in. I'll show you guys the interior and how it looks. So through here you have access. See, this is what I just put on. There you go. And then this is where the fuel pump goes. There you go. And then here we have the hoses that feed the fuel and then the fumes or return or whatnot. Yep, just gotta connect this hose to that, and she's good. I know I make it sound easy, but it's really not. But it was fairly easy. This car is spoiling me because working on that thing is not as fun. It's fun. I find it fun. I like it. That's why I do all this. But it's just it takes more time and effort to do it in that car. I don't know why. The parts are heavier. Everything is tighter for some reason. This car is spoiling me because it's just it's easier, and I don't know. I find it relatively. I find it too easy, honestly. I'm not trying to, like, you know, talk myself up, but it's so easy to work on this car. Like, it amazes me. It's so practical. That's the word I'm looking for. It's so practical. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe. Not done with the car yet. Now that the tank is in, we start moving into making the car look good. So we're gonna have to work with the paint. We're gonna, you know, give it a thorough detail, the engine bay, the exterior, and then see the real state of the paint. And then after that, we do some driving. Hey, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share the video with some friends if you feel that they're gonna, you know, benefit from me showing them how to do it, or how I did it at least. And yeah, let me know what you think. Drop it down in the comments what you want to see in the future from these two monsters right here, and then I'll try to make it happen for you guys.